Cell phone,
yes. Good morning, good day. The state is calling case number F174 of 2026. The state versus Charlotte Tiban. That is accused number 1. Accused number 2 is Peter Nonyani. Your worship, with me, I am in possession of a very complex charge sheet. I would like to seek guidance from this honorable court whether or not to read the charge sheet entirely, starting from the preamble thereto.
I may not guide you in that respect. Safe to say that the charges that are preferred against whoever is the parties should be clearly ventilated for them to understand why they are.
Thank you, Your Worship. I will read then the charge sheet into the record.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Worship. Your Worship, for the purpose of the record, appearances of the day are as follows. Presiding officer is Mr. Nechirozwi. On behalf of the state is Advocate M. Polokwane, and I'm with my colleague, Advocate Nzimande. She's in another court. She'll join me as the matter progresses. And court interpreter is Miss Sibidiwa TW, and stenographer is Miss Hlapa. Accused are represented by Mr. Maluleke. Your Worship, with the leave of court, I can proceed to read the charges tonight. General preamble to the charges. Well, as at all material times relevant to the charges, the complainant is in this matter is Ludwig Trevor Ramaboya, an adult male with identity number stated therein, the charge sheet. Complainant is employed as a risk manager at Bidvest Automotive McCarthy, situated at Catherine Towers, 1 Park Lane, Verga Valley, Sante. McCarthy Pty Ltd is a company registered in terms of the laws of the Republic of South Africa with the registration number stated therein. McCarthy Pty Ltd had a Standard Bank account number, which is relevant to the charges before court. Bidvest McCarthy Automotive McCarthy is one of the South Africa's leading motor and largest motor retailing industry. Its business includes, but not limited to, sales of new and used vehicles, vehicle servicing, and selling private vehicle parts to and auctioning vehicles. Charlotte Tiban, hereinafter referred to as accused number 1, is or was admitted as an attorney in terms of the Legal Practice Act 28 of 2014. Accused number 1 is or was practicing as an attorney under the name and style Tiban Charlotte Attorneys, situated at 14 JCJ Corner, 2 Bikat Street, Polokwane. The law firm mentioned in the paragraph above rendered the following services, amongst others: submitting claimants to the Road Accident Fund on behalf of its clients, winding of deceased estates, conducting litigation proceedings for its clients. Accused number 1 was appointed as an executor for the estate of the late Jacob Maliwu Kumatabata with estate number stated therein on the 21st May 2024 by the Master of High Court in Polokwane. Accused number 1 was also appointed as an executor for the estate of the late Maisana Isaiah Masha with the estate number stated therein on the 7th of May 2024 by the Master of High Court in Polokwane. Upon accused 1 being appointed as executor, she was entrusted with powers and duties to administer the above-mentioned estates of the above-mentioned deceased, as they were stated in the preceding paragraphs. Therefore, Accused 1 was further entrusted with money held in the deceased estate accounts to administer and distribute according to the Administration of Estate Act 66 of 1965. Accused 1 failed to execute her duties entrusted to her by the Master of the High Court as executor of the above-mentioned estate. Pitanyo Nyani, with identity number stated therein, is related to accused 1 as a boyfriend or partner, herein referred to as accused number 2. Accused 1 and 2, acting with common intent and for the furtherance of common purpose with each other, entered into an agreement to purchase a pre-owned Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 with the engine number stated in the paragraph here to the charge sheet, valued at $1,650,000 at McCarthy Mercedes-Benz Vonderboom in Pretoria. Accused 1 and 2 entered into an agreement with Mercedes-Benz McCarthy by signing an agreement for the offer to purchase the above-mentioned vehicle. On or about the 28th October 2024, accused 1 transferred an amount of 1,100,000 rands from the estate bank account held with First National Bank, account number stated here in the charge sheet below, Matabata, into the First National Bank estate account number belonging to Maisana Estate Marshal. These are the deceased persons. On or about the 28th day of October 2024, accused 1 paid an amount of 1,750,000 in total to the Standard Bank account number belonging to McCarthy Pty from an estate account of Maisana Isaiah Marsha for the purchase of the vehicle as already mentioned. An amount of 1,100,000 rands was transferred from the said First National Bank estate account belonging to Jacob Maleo Kumatabata, and was combined with an amount of 650,000 rands, which was taken from the FNB estate account belonging to Maisana Isaiah Masha for the purchase of the vehicle as already mentioned. On the 28th October 2024, an amount of 100,000 rands with the reference Peter Nyan being accused number 2 was paid into the Standard Bank account belonging to McCarthy. The account as already referred to in the preceding paragraphs there too. A further amount of 1,650,000 rands was paid into the Standard Bank account belonging to McCarthy as already mentioned. Therefore, a total of 1,750,000 rands was transferred to the said bank account belonging to McCarthy. Both accused persons gave out and pretended to McCarthy Pty and or its employees and or the master's office that they are authorized to purchase the said vehicle mentioned in the preceding paragraphs to the charge sheet for the beneficiaries of the estates as already mentioned. As a result of the accused conduct, McCarthy Pty Ltd and or its employees and or the victims and or beneficiaries of the estate accounts suffered prejudice in the total amount of 1,750,000 rands. Now, therefore, the accused are guilty of the following offences.
Se namuntlha ni vulavula Xitsonga namuntlha hi le mahlweni ka huvo